Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app on your computer, and then just go ahead and choose or click the server that you want to delete. So for example, this server. And then here just want to click on this drop down arrow at the upper part of your server beside your server name. After that, you want to click on server settings, and here you can see at the bottom part there's this option says delete server. So just go ahead and click on that, and you need to choose I put the server's name. So here just go ahead and click delete server. So as you can see, that server is now deleted. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.